Since center of mass of a symmetrical mass distribution system is located at its center of symmetry, so the center of mass of a circular disc will be at its center of symmetry, and center of mass of a square plate will also be at its center of symmetry. Now first write the masses of circular disc and square plate. Since material and thickness are same for both the things, area of circular disc is pi d square upon 4. Let us assume this area to be equal to capital M. Let us assume this area corresponding to mass M. So mass of a square plate will be equal to 4m upon pi, because area of a square plate is d square. Since pi d square upon 4 is corresponding to m, so unit is corresponding to 4m upon pi d square. So d square is corresponding to 4m upon pi d square into d square, that is equal to 4m upon pi. Make the table of x coordinate of center of mass of circular disc and square plate with respect to center of mass of circular disc. So x coordinate of center of mass of circular disc is 0 and x coordinate of center of mass of square plate is located at a distance d. So writing equation for HCM, HCM is what? m1 x1 plus m2 x2 upon m1 plus m2. That gives us m into 0 plus 4m upon pi into d upon m plus 4m upon pi. After solving this equation, we get position of center of mass of circular disc and square plate system with respect to center of circular disc is 4d upon 4 plus pi. Right to the center of disc